It is often said that success occurs when preparation meets opportunity. Now, opportunities will undoubtedly present themselves with time. But how are you treating yourself through all the time spent in preparation for accomplishing your goals in the meantime? Are you giving yourself credit for the work and the energy that it takes to become a more successful individual? A major aspect of the success equation has to do with being good to yourself, treating yourself with kindness and encouragement along your life journey. It's important to celebrate all victories, large and small, on the journey toward fulfilling your dreams. It all begins with recognizing that you are a successful individual right now, and your success can only go up from here. Guys and girls, simply having the determination to pursue your happiness, your goals, and your dreams is a massive success in itself. It takes an incredible amount of courage to wake up every morning and keep moving and keep motivating yourself to work toward the life that you have always imagined living. The preparation part of the success equation, your journey, should be celebrated. For success is not simply a destination. Success is not something that we arrive at one day. Success has everything to do with your individual day-to-day choices, actions, and experiences, no matter how big or small they are. Success has to do with being true to who you are and how you choose to respond to every circumstance that occurs in your life. Remember that feeling successful has much to do with how you personally define success. So ask yourself, how do you define success? For example, do you define success as having more in your life? More money, more recognition, more material items? Do you define success according to other people's standards? Or do you define success as feeling happy with who you are, being happy with your choices, and being grateful for all that you have in your life today? Aim to shift your focus from thinking of success as being something that is always out of your reach or something which involves constantly wanting or needing more or keeping up with other people. And focus instead on being grateful and happy for who you are and what you have right now. And there's so much to be grateful for, isn't there? Whatever it is you might be going through right now, regardless of how challenging it may be, there is always much to be thankful for. Be grateful for who you are and fully appreciate your individuality and all that you have in your life now. Do the very best that you can with what you have now, while at the same time striving toward becoming an even better version of yourself than you were yesterday. Have faith and always believe that you will achieve anything you set out to do. You are a miracle, my friend. There's no one else out there like you. Start to view yourself and your world today as being miraculous and trust that you will create anything you set out to do. Albert Einstein said, there are only two ways to live your life. One is though nothing is a miracle, the other is though everything is a miracle. How do you want to live your life?